Fairfield Park is let at last.
Is it?
Yes, it is. A single man of large fortune, my dear. What a fine thing for our girls.
I shall write to Mr. Bingley, informing him that I have 5 daughters, and he's welcome to any of them that he chooses.
I should so much like to marry for love. A man without fault.
That is not possible for anyone.
Your defect is a propensity to hate everyone.
Well, yours is willfully to misunderstand them.
My dear Charlotte and I have but one mind and one way of thinking. We seem to have been designed for each other.
Hateful man.
You must allow me to tell you how ardently I admire and love you. I am not afraid of you.
You could not have made me the offer of your hand in any possible way that would have tempted me to accept it.
Upon my word, you give your opinion very decidedly for so young a person.
I always believe in first impressions, and his good opinion once lost is lost forever.